Alright, so here's the afterwork as we're going to go around the hill of the dumpster clean, soft wash. Remember we had the algae and all that stuff down there on the wall, black mold and stuff. Where you do see the black streaks, or not black streaks, but when you see a little bit of black is where the paint, just because this is old, needs to be painted. You see right there, all the back sides all clean from the bottom all the way to the top. Come around to this side here. As you see a little bit up there, this is black stains where actually that needs to be painted. You do see a little bit of stuff where this is just really weathered and needs to get painted. But this is the afterwards. Let's go around it really quick. Take 30 seconds to in, bottom, top, all the way around. Any of the stuff where you see it's all actually like really black there, it's because it needs to be painted. It's really weathered, so it hasn't been painted. So it's all cleaned up, everything's all done. You see at the bottom right there, we had all the debris and all this stuff there. All that stuff's all cleaned out. Wanted to make it really short. Smells nice and sanitized back there now. That's a garbage area, but yeah, another all-terrain clean. Thank you. Visit allterrain.com.